Welcome to AI Frontier. Today, we're exploring 10 AI tools that will completely change the world in 2025. These tools are smarter, faster, and more powerful than anything you've seen before. Some of them will make your work easier, and some might just feel like science fiction. So let's dive straight into the future. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Vision Pro. This upgraded version of ChatGPT can analyze images, videos, documents, and even real-time environments. It's like having a fully intelligent assistant inside your device. Tool number 2, Adobe AI Firefly 3. Firefly 3 can generate hyper-realistic images, edit videos automatically, and create professional designs in seconds. Tool number 3, Midjourney V7. Midjourney V7 pushes creativity to the next level with photorealism so perfect, it's almost impossible to tell the difference from real photos. Tool number 4, Devin, the first AI software engineer. Devin can write code, fix bugs, run projects, and build complete applications on its own. This is the future of programming. Tool number 5, Sora AI Video Generator. Sora can turn simple text into full cinematic videos. This tool will change filmmaking, advertising, and content creation forever. Tool number 6, ElevenLabs Voice AI. ElevenLabs can clone voices, generate natural speech, and create studio-quality narration instantly. Tool number 7, Google Gemini Advanced. Gemini can help with research, planning, learning, and working all in one powerful AI ecosystem. Tool number 8, Runway Gen-3. Runway Gen-3 is an AI video editor that can animate, enhance, color grade, and generate footage like a Hollywood studio. Tool number 9, NVIDIA Omniverse AI. NVIDIA Omniverse creates realistic 3D environments for movies, games, and simulations. It's the backbone of the future digital world. Tool number 10, Pi AI Personal Assistant. Pi AI acts like a friendly, intelligent companion helping you learn, plan, and stay mentally sharp every day. AI is evolving faster than ever, and these tools are only the beginning. The future of AI isn't coming in 10 years. It's happening right now. If you want more videos about future AI tools and next-gen technology, subscribe to AI Frontier and join us on the journey into tomorrow. Thanks for watching. The future starts here.